With the nights getting cold here in the UK, I know lots of people are looking at different options to keep warm. And as it's now over a year since we did our review of the HCalory HC-A01 portable diesel heater, I thought it would be a good time to revisit what we think of it now. Plus, it's currently available at a pretty amazing price, so keep watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, it really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button, and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I know what you didn't like. We did a full review of the HC-A01 back in October 2022, and you can check it out in the link here or in the video notes. But before you do, here's a quick rundown of it and what we think of it a year on. The heater in the unit is 5 kilowatts and is adjustable to 10 different heating levels. It can be set on a thermostat or manually controlled. There are two types, type A with a simple remote or type B which adds Bluetooth app control. It's one of the few robust off-the-shelf all-in-one diesel heaters and easy to transport and flexible in how you use it. Setup is easy, it's economical on fuel, and being available from the Banggood UK warehouse, the pricing includes VAT. Here's a quick look at everything that comes with it. Here it is installed in the garage space of our van with the heating air routed into the living space. You can see this in more detail along with the tests we put it through in our full video review from last year. Being portable has meant we've been able to use it in a number of different situations which it has coped with well, and the Bluetooth app control is well worth it, especially as currently it's only a few pounds more than the basic version. So what do we think a year on? Well, we used it on and off last winter and then fired it up without any problems after it had been stored in the summer. Particularly now we know exactly what we're doing, it's really quick and easy to set up and pack down. Being portable rather than permanently fitted gives us some key advantages. We've been able to use it in the van, our 4x4, our tents and awning. We also don't have to carry it around wasting space and payload when it's 30 degrees outside. A point to note is that if you have the unit outside, you do need to give it a bit of protection from the weather, especially the exposed control panel, which we'd like to see improved. For a while, they weren't available from the Banggood UK warehouse, so it meant buying from a reseller or shipping it from China with a cost sometimes over £300. But right now, they're available from the Banggood UK warehouse and using the code in our video description for just over £100, with no worries about VAT or import duty, which for me makes them a bit of a bargain. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.